All right, one final test here. See what, oh, there you go. Perfect. All right, hey everybody, we're here with a Nintendo Switch dock. I've had this for a long time, but I've been trying to use the dock here. In the last 6 months, it just hasn't connected to the TV. For some reason, any TV, any HDMI port, tried a bunch of them here. Yeah, it just doesn't connect at all here. So today we're going to take it apart, see what's going on. Alrighty, so get the back open. Yeah. Alright, let's get started. From what I know here, there's not a whole lot to these. Only a couple of different parts here. Okay. We have liftoff. Okay. There we go. Did not want to let go there. Alrighty. Couple connectors, and it's loose here. Perfect. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything with it. Checking out the connector. Yeah, everything looks great. I have another one here that I know works, so we're gonna try that. And see what happens here. And let's see here. Nothing. All right, let's keep moving on here. Also, we have a word from our sponsor. If you like what you're seeing here, check out my other videos. This is all I do, is take apart video game consoles and fix them, put them back together. So check out my other videos. Also, like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you notified every time I put out a new video. Thank you. All right, let's get back to the video. Just thought I'd clean off that connector there. And then now taking a look at that USB-C port. Alrighty. Yeah, not a whole lot here to it. Quick visual. Don't see anything here. Hard to see in there, but I have a replacement here. So we're gonna try that out, see if that's the issue. I mean, if it wasn't the main board there, it's gotta be this little guy. So we'll try it out and see what happens. And there you go, perfect. Okay, so we know it's the little guy. I'm just gonna get it replaced here with this little one, and yeah, should be it. Yeah, these are available on Amazon. for only a few bucks there. So just gonna get it replaced and then all set to go. Now just the reassembly here. Definitely trickier getting it back together than it was taking it apart. Go. And back together. Perfect. Putting the cover back on. All right, one final test here. See what, oh, there you go. Perfect. All right, guys, if you liked the video, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you want me to do next. I've got a PS5 here that I'm working on. Let me know what you think in the comments, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.